Ramzan special pakora platter. For besan mixture, 5 to 6 tablespoon besan, salt to taste, chili flake, turmeric, kata zira, kata danya, kari pata, hain, soda. Water to make a thick paste. Now paste is ready, start making pakory. Start first make banane kai pakora. Cut the banane in circle shape, dip in besan mixture and fry in hot oil. It's ready, it's too yummy. Next, new style cheese pakora. For this, cut potato in slice, add chutney, cheese, onion, ketchup and cheese and cover with slice of potato and insert the stick in it and dip in besan mixture and fry. It's ready. Next is egg pakora. First boil egg and cut in slice, dip in besan mixture and fry in hot oil until it golden brown. Pakora always fry on medium to high flame because it's not drink too much oil. Next, tomato pakora. Cut in slice and add same salt and chat in it, then coat a besan and fry in hot oil. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and stay connecting for more videos. Now is mixed pakora. 1 onion, 1 green chili chopped, 1 potato cut in fry style, coriander leaves. We transfer to bowl because of space. Add 4 teaspoon besan mixture in it and mix the add in oil and fry until it's golden brown. Next is aloo pakora. Cut in slices and dip in besan and fry in hot oil. Ready, it's so crispy. Now is palak pakora. Take a palak leaf, dip in besan mixture, coat completely and fry it. Our beautiful platter is ready. Enjoy with chutney and ketchup. Allah Hafiz.